Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make this nice looking yummy fish rolls. I've been wanting to make fish rolls for a very long time, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll start by adding my dried ingredients in a bowl. I added flour, sugar and a pinch of salt, and I'll go ahead and mix them together. So I went ahead and added butter into the dry ingredient, so I'll go ahead and mix it very well before adding my egg. So I'll go ahead and add my egg into the dry ingredient, and then I will continue mixing it until well cooperated into the flour. Now I'm adding water into the flour bit by bit and kneading it into a dough. Be careful not to add too much water because you don't want your dough to be watery or sticky. As you can see, my dough is ready. I will now keep it aside and prepare the filling. I added oil, onions, bell pepper, some seasoning and spices, and I went ahead and added my fish. Now I'll go ahead and sprinkle my working surface and then roll the dough, then put in the filling and then roll it again, and I will repeat the same step until I finish all the dough. Guys, just take a look at these fish rolls. They look so yummy. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.